Hey guys, it's Wasik from TGN and আজকে আপনাদের জন্য আরেকটা writing task 2 IELTS এসে করা হবে. This writing task 2 is a bit tricky, but you have to have some knowledge. আপনাদের যদি একটু idea থাকে এই answerটা easily দিতে পারবেন. Remember, we got to write 250 words and আজকের question হচ্ছে problem solution. Okay? And if you see the question that we're going to cover today, look at this. An increase in the production of consumer goods results in damage to the natural environment. Why is this the case? What can be done to solve this problem? So the second I see, why is this the case? আমি তখনই জানি যে they're looking for reasons, right? Causes. ঠিক আছে? And second question যখন দেখি, what do I see? What can be done to solve the problem? Solve এর সাথে কি যায়? Solution. So একটা হচ্ছে why is this the case? আরেকটা প্যারাগ্রাফ হচ্ছে what can be done to solve the problem. এই এসেতে আমাদের লাগবে চারটা প্যারাগ্রাফস, okay? Introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and just a simple conclusion. As usual, we have to write 250 words, so let's get started. And like I said before, in every single one of my videos, you should know that in the first step or the first line you write in IELTS Writing Task 2 or Task 1 is to paraphrase the question. So it says, an increase in the production of consumer goods results in damage to the natural environment. Okay, so let's go and start this off. It is argued that rising rates of production, that the rising rates of production of consumer goods is leading to the rising rates are leading to environmental damage. So simply and effectively, I just kind of paraphrased it, put it in my own words. There's a million different ways you can do this, okay guys? কোনো সমস্যা নাই, আপনাদের যেভাবে comfortable লাগে ওইভাবে লিখবেন, but you must paraphrase the question in the first sentence, okay? Now, এখানে কিন্তু কোনো opinion চাচ্ছে না, they don't want any opinion, they don't need any opinion, so do we need a thesis statement? Absolutely not. Let's continue. But does that mean we don't need anything else in the introduction? Absolutely not. We have to have an outline sentence. Outline sentence ta ki? I'm sure if you've done my class, you already know, but you should know that an outline sentence is telling the reader what you are going to write about, right? You're giving the basic idea of what you're going to be covering. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first one here is going to be, why is this the case? So I'm going to discuss firstly, this essay will discuss X, Y, Z, and secondly, this, that, and the other. So let's see. Firstly, this essay will discuss the reasons behind this phenomenon. And secondly, some possible solutions. All right, very easy. And why did I use these words, or why did I write it like that? Because a kind of question one hoche ki, why is this the case? And question two ki hoche, what can be done to solve the problem? So ei jonno, firstly, this essay will discuss the reasons, okay? The reasons. And secondly, some of the solutions, okay? Just according to the prompt. এখন একটু আগে বললাম it's going to be 4 paragraphs, right? So body paragraph 1 is going to be what? Question 1, why is this the case? Body paragraph 1. And body paragraph 2 is going to be the what can be done to solve this problem, or the solutions, question 2. So let's get started with body paragraph 1. There are many reasons that increasing production of goods leads to problems for our natural environment. when companies make, or let's say manufacture, why not, products, they are using fuel and other chemicals in the production process. Right. So I'm basically illustrating or explaining what's happening. কেন আমাদের environmental damage হয় যখন কোম্পানিরা produce করে, right? So now let's kind of elaborate this idea. When companies manufacture products, they are using fuel and other chemicals in the production process. The byproducts of the manufacturing include chemical waste, smoke from factories, and a variety, let's say a plethora, which means variety, a plethora of other harmful toxins, let's say. Okay. These are, let's say, the levels of these byproducts, these environmental, let's kind of make it easier, mentally damaging chemicals increase as the rates of production increase according to consumer demand. Therefore, with more production, we will definitely see more pollution. Okay, for example, there is a housing boom in Bangladesh, and to satisfy the consumer demand, brick kilns are running day and night. These brick kilns are located all around Dhaka and release carbon monoxide in our atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and global warming. Okay? So I explained my points, I gave my reasons, and I'm done. Therefore, contributing, sorry. I don't know why I did contribution. Okay, now I'm done with my body paragraph 1. এখন আমরা body paragraph 2 তে চলে যাব. And এখানে again, you should know certain words like what? Green technologies, hydroelectricity, electric vehicles. Even basic ideas will get you far, because we're not giving an IQ test, we're giving an IELTS essay test. And all we need to do is prove that we can communicate in English. Don't make it too hard on yourself, all right? There are many ways to solve this problem. Firstly, companies must re-evaluate their production processes. Okay. Their production processes and understand where they can improve and create less pollution. Moreover, consumers must also make certain changes in their behavior by reducing the usage of certain products or by choosing to reuse certain products instead of buying new ones. Furthermore, governments must enforce laws and regulations that control the amount of pollution that companies may emit into the environment from their production processes. For instance, many mobile phone manufacturers are now only including a charging cable and no charging block, because, or let's just say, to reduce the amount of plastic being used. This type, and not a, sorry, and this type of initiative is exactly what we need to start helping our environment instead of continuously harming it. Now my body paragraph 2 is complete. Time for a conclusion. Simple. In conclusion, due to the usage of fossil fuels and other chemicals, many, let's just say, the production of consumer goods leads to environmental damage. However, with changes in manufacturing methods and to consumer behavior, we can mitigate the damage. So let's do a quick word count. Let's see how many words I have, because I'm done writing. It's 312 words. Just like I said, there is going to be what? 4 paragraphs. We have the conclusion, body paragraph 2 right here, okay? Then we have body paragraph 1 right up here, and introduction. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. I'm Wasik signing out for TGN. See you later.